How to remove age restriction on YouTube app. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to remove restriction on YouTube. So then to remove age restriction on YouTube, open up a web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice, or you can also do this procedure with the help of an application. So after you open up a web browser, on the web address bar, type in youtube.com and this is gonna take you to your YouTube account. So you'll be directed to the home page. So if you have enabled age restriction on YouTube, then you'll not be able to see some content that is 18 plus or that is 13 plus. So what you need to do is, in order to disable it, you need to click on your profile icon right on top. As soon as you click on it, a drop down menu appears, and from the list you can see right at the bottom there you have restricted mode. So currently restricted mode is turned on, so click on this arrow icon. Now toggle the switch and then disable the restriction mode or turn it off. So here you go, that the restriction mode has been disabled, and now you'll be able to see the content that is 13 plus and above, or you'll not have such age restriction on YouTube. In this way you can remove age restriction on YouTube. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.